In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an already signed PandaDoc document. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your completed file, how to resend it, and how to share it securely with anyone who needs a copy. First, open PandaDoc and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to your Documents area. If you work in multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one so you see the correct library of files. The interface may look slightly different depending on your plan, but the core options are the same. Next, find the signed document you want to send. The quickest way is to use the search bar by typing part of the document title or the recipient's name. You can also filter by status and switch to completed to narrow the list to finalize files only. Sort by last updated if you're looking for something recent. When you see it, open the document and double check the status says completed so you know it's fully executed. Now resend or share the signed file. Inside the document, look for the Share or Actions menu. From here, you can send the finalized PDF directly via email from PandaDoc, often with the audit trail included for compliance. Craft a short note so the recipient understands why they're receiving the document and what, if anything, they should do with it. If you prefer, you can generate a secure view-only link to share, or download the signed PDF and attach it to your own email. If link options are available, consider enabling download controls or expiration for added security. If you need to loop in someone who wasn't originally on the document, you can optionally add a new viewer. Open the Recipients or People section for the completed document and add them as a viewer or CC. This won't reopen the document for signing or change its completed status. It simply grants them access to view or receive the final copy. Make sure you enter a valid email and confirm they only need to view, not sign. Before sending, customize and save your message. Update the email subject so it's clear the document is fully signed, and write a concise body that includes any relevant context. Choose whether to attach the PDF and the audit trail, and adjust any link permissions if you're sharing via URL. When everything looks good, send it. You can save your message text as a template if your plan supports it, and then check the document timeline or activity feed to confirm delivery and views. That's it. Your signed PandaDoc is on its way, professionally and securely.